Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're watching this and where you're watching from. My name is Destiny Jukes. I'm a Mary Kay consultant and a dreadloctician. If today is the first time you're seeing this channel, you're coming across this channel, please subscribe, watch, like, and comment. There's a red subscription button down below. Click on the red subscription button. You will see a bell icon by the side. Click on the bell and click all. In that way, whenever I upload anything, you'll be the first to know. And to my already subscribed and returning subscribers, I really thank you. I really appreciate you all, because without you, I won't be where I am today. I won't be at the level I am today. So I really appreciate you. And subscription is totally free. Please don't think you're paying for subscription. It's totally free. Just subscribe. In that way, you're supporting me. That's just the way to support me. Yeah. So let's dive in. As you all know, this is Vichirymes, dreadloctician and skin care. Yeah, I'll be showing you guys about skin Vigorate brush and lip balm and scrub. So we're going to talk about the skin Vigorate brush, and we have a man using this brush. This brush goes a long way to clean all the dirt in your skin, in your pores. When we use our hands to wash our face and clean it, it doesn't really clean it properly. It just washes out the surface. But there's dirt in our skin, in our faces, like for those that use powders and foundation, and for the guys also, and those that don't even use all those things on their faces. We all have dirt in our face, clogging our pores and causing breakouts. So try it. And here I'll be talking about the lip balm and scrub. Yeah, lip balm and scrub. This lip scrub is heaven. I tell you, I've used it. As you can see, I tried using it here to show you guys how it feels. Is amazing. I tell you, it's really amazing. So for those that have cracked lips, those that have the lips, and when you use lipstick, it's cracky, it's not smooth, and you can feel your lips is dried. When you use this scrub, it's a sugar scrub. When you use this scrub to scrub your lips, oh my goodness, you will see the difference immediately. Look at the way I'm using it. You scrub or your lips, you scrub properly, and you can feel it on your finger that there's something coming out, like kind of a dead skin coming out. So it's like you're exfoliating your lips, and it's really good for people that have dark lips, that have cracked lips, that have lips are really not smooth. Yeah, let me use that word. Yeah, you use it and scrub your lips, and after scrubbing your lips, you clean it off with a towel or anything you want to use, and then you apply the lip balm. So this is the cleaning. I clean my lips after scrubbing, and yeah, once you clean it off, you see the difference immediately. I use the baby wipes here, so you see the difference. You can see how my lips look. Yeah, I'm licking my lips. It's sweet and really good. Feels really good. Yeah, see, my lips really feeling very nice and clean. Yeah, so to say, it's really clean. So when you finish using this, you use the balm, the lip balm. Yeah, the lip balm makes it even smoother and feel nice. The feeling is really good. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I believe with this brush you can use it. It works 3 times faster than the hands. It works 3 times better than the hands, because it makes the skin, it cleans all the dirt on your face. When you use it, you know what I mean. And it clears all the pores that is being clogged. Yeah, try and use it. It's for everybody, man and woman. Anyone can use it. Yes. And for this lip balm and lip scrub, try it. and tell me what part it is. Look at how my lips is reading. I feel like kissing. It's kissable now, right? Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your friends for them to see how this works and how to use it. And you don't know, maybe they've been looking for something like this and they'll order. Yes, so my contact is there. You contact me if you want any of the products, or you want to consult me for any advice. I will be very happy to talk to you. Yeah, my website is also there for you to go and see what is on the website and choose what you want. That's it. Yeah, so guys, I thank you for watching again, and I thank you for subscribing, for my returning subscribers, and for those that are yet to subscribe, please subscribe and support my channel. Support this ministry, guys, please. Yeah, so we can grow to the permanent, we can move to the permanent site, as they say. So I'm still giving out facial samples, so if you want a facial sample, just comment, subscribe, and let me know. I will send it to you. Love you. Bye bye.